YAJESU ndi mwari.
He knows my pain. Ndava kuziva hatongokanganisi. When the news came, hope was on the floor. Zvese vaita kungesva pera. They said it's too late, he's gone, but Jesus was still at work. Martha akachema, Mary akachema, daima iwe pano vakadaro. But in that silence, heaven was speaking for a greater resurrection. Zvinotaridza kunonoka, but heaven is not empty. Kana Mwari akanyarara, he's preparing a greater glory.
YAJESU vari kuziva havo.
He knows what he is doing.
Even when my tears are falling,
He is working in the waiting. Not the end of my story.
when he speaks, the dead will rise, and my life will sing his glory.
Zuva rechina rakashika. The storm was heavy and cold, but Jesus came with quiet power, and the grave could not hold. Visa dombo,
YAJESU vakadaro. Then heaven moved in power. He called with a tender voice, and the darkness broke in pieces.
kana shese jakamira. God is still in control. What looks delayed today can become a miracle tomorrow.
YAJESU vari kuziva havo.
He knows what he is doing.
Hey, even when my tears are falling,
He is working in the waiting.
not the end of my story.
When he speaks, the dead will rise.
And my life will sing his glory. I'm still waiting, Lord. He knows what he is doing.
My tears are falling.
He's working in the waiting.
When will it break?
He's working in the waiting. I believe your word.
Hey, I believe your word.
Knows what
Hey,
he is doing. I believe your word. He's working in the waiting.
he will rise.
He will rise. YAJESU
Ndava Jesu.
vari kuziva havo.
He knows what he is doing.
Even in my waiting season, he's writing my testimony.
Hingori hope.
It will end in victory.
When he calls my name in power.
My dry bones will live again.
Jesu vari kuziva havo.
Takamirira nguva yake.
My pain will become a testimony.
YAJESU